Well, 4th of July in the Villages down at Brownwood. And they're taking a break on the music right now. Usually they do a 10-minute break, and then 15 minutes of music, and then another 10-minute break. Had a nice dinner at the Mexican restaurant in the square here. And now a little bit of a storm's rolling in. But they did definitely drop the temperature, so I see a little lightning out that direction. I asked Siri and she says it's raining right now, so I guess she's not 100% accurate. But I think a lot of people are taking off because it looks like the weather is not going to get any better. At least not anytime real soon.